my consulting room, doctor, I think I have HIV. I'm like, what? Another one also came, doc, I think I'm having cancer. He said before, their families getting to us to tell us that this is what actually killed the patient. And eventually they didn't even have it. Hi guys, I'm back again. Today on our series of Hospital Vibes by Dr. BJ, I want to tackle on a group of people I personally call the Google doctors, and I'm sure other doctors will call them as well. So Google doctors, guys, when you know yourself, once I mention Google doctor, you know yourself. My definition of Google doctor is those who decide to go on Google and seek for consultation rather than coming to a well-trained physician for him to assess you and manage where the need be. So let's assume you have you've started losing weight, unintentional weight loss, and as any power now when we say form precope, there are a lot of causes for this. Now you go on Google, and Google is going to give you thousands of causes of weight loss, unintentional weight loss, including HIV. I'm saying this because a patient came to my consulting room, doctor, I think I have HIV. I'm like, what? Another one also came, doc, I think I'm having cancer. Now I don't know where the cancer is. Now these are very, 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 very serious diagnoses, and this can actually interfere with your mentation. It can actually affect you mentally. It can worsen your situation. It can make you go depressed. So I just want to explain things to you. If you have conditions like if you've experienced some signs or symptoms, please, rather than going to Dr. Google, Google takes everything and gives you everything. But we are going to distinct and tell you what it actually is. We don't just tell you we are going to conduct some examinations, take a very good history. History means you have to tell us about certain things about when it started, how it started, what you've been up to, some medications you've been taking and all that. We compile all this coupled with some investigations we will do, and then we come out with a very good and concise diagnosis, explain matters to you and treat when necessary. Now, you guys decide to go on Google, go and get a lot of, I don't know how to put it, but some strange diseases, and then you come and sit here for us to confirm. No, I'm not ready to confirm such diagnosis. Guys, let's get off it. I know a lot of people who are depressed because of this. Some have actually committed suicide before. Their families getting to us to tell us that this is what actually killed the patient, and eventually they didn't even have it. So Google doctors, beware. May catchy mo amaye mo ho say mo de mo a health practitioner na on show. O de bibia Google symptoms bia they have their diagnosis. No better now, and then they will be throwing out to you, doctor, I think I have this. When you are even trying to convince them to understand that they don't have it, it's like a battle. They want to prove to you that they have it because that's what Dr. Google is telling them. Kindly desist from that, Google doctors. Including very good friends of mine. I don't want to mention names before they start attacking me. Stop visiting Google doctors. We are here for you. This is why we went to study to become professional practitioners for you. Please, you can find out information on Google. I'm not asking you not to find out good information. Google has good information as well. But that is when the doctor has made diagnosis and you want to read more about your condition. Not when you start experiencing a symptom or you see a sign and then you want to make diagnosis yourself before you come to the hospital. Thank you.